You know, every time Honda dusts off one of its classic nameplates, people get hyped. And the Prelude? That's a big one. But here's the thing. This new Prelude isn't quite the car people were expecting. So, let's break it down. The 2026 Honda Prelude has finally made its North American debut. And yes, it looks like a sleek, low-slung coupe. But Honda isn't calling this a sports car. They're calling it a Grand Tourer, which basically means it's designed more for comfortable long drives than for setting lap times. Under the hood? Well, sort of. The Prelude is basically running the Civic Hybrid setup, a 2-liter 4-cylinder paired with an electric motor. On paper, you get 200 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque. Now, that's solid for daily driving, but not exactly mind-blowing if you're expecting Type R levels of excitement. And like other Honda hybrids, there isn't really a traditional transmission. The motor just drives the front wheels. To make it feel more engaging, Honda added a system called linear shift control. That's marketing speak for fake gears. But they've also introduced something new here, S+ shift mode. Pull the paddles, hold the revs, and get a little rev-matching blip on downshifts. It's like cosplay for a manual gearbox. It won't fool a purist, but it definitely adds some drama behind the wheel. Now, here's where things get interesting. Even though the powertrain is all hybrid commuter vibes, the chassis isn't. Honda actually borrowed parts from the Civic Type R. That means the Prelude gets the same dual-axis strut suspension up front, the same wide track, and even the same brakes. We're talking 13.8-inch rotors with 4-piston calipers. That's serious stopping power. The dampers, though, are softer. The tires are narrower too. So while the Type R is all about corner carving, the Prelude is tuned to feel more planted and comfortable. Think of it as Type R DNA, just wearing dress shoes instead of sneakers. Dimension-wise, the Prelude sits on a 102.6-inch wheelbase, is about 178 inches long, and is a little over 74 inches wide. It's a proper coupe footprint. Step inside and, yeah, it feels familiar. A lot of Civic DNA here. Same flat bottom wheel, same 10.2-inch digital cluster, same 9-inch infotainment screen with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. But Honda added some neat touches, like asymmetrical sport seats. The driver's side is more supportive and bolstered for spirited driving, while the passenger seat is built to be softer and more relaxed. A small detail, but it kind of sums up the Prelude's vibe. Driver-focused, but still friendly. You also get a practical lift-back hatch with 15 cubic feet of cargo space. So, unlike a lot of coupes, this thing's actually usable. And yeah, Honda sensing safety tech is standard across the board. So what we have here is a car that looks sporty, drives like a comfy Grand Tourer, and borrows just enough from the Type R to keep enthusiasts interested. But if you were expecting a true performance revival, this probably isn't it. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but Honda should be dropping numbers pretty soon. So, what do you think? Did Honda play it too safe with the new Prelude, or does this actually make sense in today's market? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this breakdown useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more.